No. Oh, voodoo. 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 No.
No. Oh my god. Sorry.
Tell him, baby. Tell him. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, shit. You stuck? No.
Oh my god, pumpkin, pumpkin.
You got my finger. I'm trying to.
Are you okay? Oh no, he broke her. Are you okay? She's okay.
So he scared the shit out of me. I was like, where's his arm? Where's his arm? And then I touched him and it was.
I'm really confused right now. I don't.
Did you know that if you scratch your cat's chin and then stop and just leave your hand there, your cat will rest its head on your hand and eventually just go to sleep? If you don't believe me, just try it out on your cat and see what I'm talking about. Fair warning though, you're gonna have to stay there.
What do you got?
Girl, if you don't let that thing go.
Lemmy, are you sitting on my toothbrush? Lemmy, that's disgusting.
No, ma'am. Paws off.
Oh my god.
This is my popsicle. This is my popsicle, mister.
Well, you really gonna eat it now?
Oh my god.
I would eat it.
In the business of house, they want you to come back. They want to provide certain
Get out of my
that will
face.
help you reform your way of thinking if you take advantage of
Are
it.
you dead?
Which is what I did.
Get out.
Really? I needed to have consequence and it.
What's going on with you, Jada? Cat. Where's your cat? Oh, it's not. Oh my god. Did he leave?
Where'd you go, boy?
Oh, he's gorgeous. He is beautiful. How old is he?
He just turned 1 this month.
He's a big guy.
Yeah, he's gonna be a little bit bigger. Ooh! Oh, come here, come here. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm coming for you! No. Medic! No.
Ah! Stop attacking me. I just want to press the beans. I just want the beans, Frodo.
Hey, baby.
Hello,
Today when my foster mommy came to feed me, I was stuck in a shoe. She freed me but then I got stuck in it again 5 minutes later because I am an idiot. Now I cannot be left alone with shoes.
Dude, you didn't pay the rent on time again.
June, your freaking butt smells like poop, dude. Get the Hello? June, your freaking butt smells like poop, dude. Get the
God damn, Bella, you got that dump truck.
Whisker, found myself a kitty cat couch whisker. Gonna find my purty kitty, gonna stick it on its forehead. Nice. My best friend, where's my best friend? 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 There's my best friend. You're laughing. Tenho a minha gata há 9 anos e eu nunca falei meu nome pra ela. Ô, Sofia, meu nome é Giovana.
Are you kidding me with this? She doesn't want to play with you. Get out. Get out of there. Come on. This is not your home, Henry. I'm so sorry, Maya. I'm so sorry.
What is he doing?
Oh, sweet. This way.
So I'm using.
What is that? Is that for me?
Financial backer of the atrocities.
My name is Pierre Prosper. I put up a $5 million reward to find.
Hey, honey, what drawer do we keep the cat in?
Bottom right.
Oh, there she is. Don't try it. Okay.
that.
So my roommate's cat loves to sleep in my bathroom, but he doesn't care what you do to him, so like...
Kitty, kitty.